In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your auto follow lag or bugs um, when using basically two characters. So the first thing we're going to do is either come up here and click the options button, or we can just hit Alt O. We need to come to display, and we need to go to advanced properties. With this screen open, we're going to do two optimizations. One is just you should always do it, and then the other one you should probably always do it as well. So the maximum amount of frames here per second, and this is for the Everquest when I'm on, is unlimited. Well, Everquest can only run to 60 frames, so one of the best optimizations you can do is just move that down to 60. It'll save process cycles. And then the background. So if I was to Alt-Tab to another character, this window would now be in the background, and it is set to minimum. So it ends up lagging. That's where you get more when someone's auto-following and levitating. They'll be falling down, they'll go underwater. Maybe they're running circles around you. Maybe they're getting caught more on trees and that kind of stuff because they're not updating often enough. And so what we want to do is we want to take this max background frames per second and we want to raise that to 60. Come on, there we go. So now it'll match on both characters that you're playing, and you'll get rid of all those problems. So now you just need to camp out. I prefer to do this with only one open, because if you change the settings here and camp out, and you camp out on the other character and you haven't changed the settings, whoever you camp out last will update the settings. And so we want to make sure that all the characters we use from now on will have these settings. And so we can just go ahead and X out of that and hit the camp button, and when they're out, all those settings are saved, and you're good to go. No more follow problems.